So there's no way I was coming all the way out to California not doing a hydraulic launch. Luckily for me, Knott's Berry Farm is only 4.8 miles from my hotel, so that's where we are now. People were telling me rumors about XCELERATOR being closed. That'd be a downer, but I'm still gonna get on Ghost Striker, Pony Express, Silver Bullet, so we'll see how those stack up against their competitors in the same class. Sort of weird, the park is this way, but then the parking lot in Soak City are back there, and there's just this underground tunnel to get to the other side. It's kind of cool, and it's kind of weird. We'll be coming up on Ghost Striker, if you can even hear me. Nice mid-course brake run. I think they took out the brakes on that too, but not sure. Ghost Rider cues. It's like a Mystic Timbers cue almost once you come out. It's not that bad right now though. Oh yeah, it is. Now I see it.
Copy.
So Ghost Rider, after waiting about an hour and 30 minutes, I'm gonna say it's like a budget, crap, I literally can't think of the name of the ride that's at Holiday World. Voyage, it's a budget Voyage. I just had a GP moment. But it was pretty good. It's in between the Beast and Voyage for me, but it's pretty good. So the Pony Express is actually a pretty cool ride. It's like, uses almost the same as a hydraulic, but like different motors and stuff. It's a pretty good ride, definitely worth the waiting in a line just to get a credit, so. Probably not gonna do that just for the credit, but the rumor is XCELERATOR is closed. That's gonna be a bummer. It was literally on my top 5 rides I'm looking forward to for California. It's gonna be like the biggest bummer of this trip, but it is what it is. There's nothing I can do besides hop the fence and fix it, which I'm just too lazy to do right now. It's hot. They will not be forgiven. Oh well. I can at least say that I've seen it. I've seen... Dang, that's really a bummer. You know, me and my hydraulic launches. Oh boy. Well, Silver Bullet it is, I guess. So, Silver Bullet, definitely not one of the smoothest B&Ms I've been on. But in terms of pacing, this ride's very good. It's probably up there. I think I'm gonna make a top 5 B&M inverts video, but I mean, it's definitely up there. I liked it. Too bad that and Ghost Striker and Pony Express are the only rides I got to do today. I really was hoping for XCELERATOR because I think like that might be the last hydraulic launch in America, or in at least United States, but unfortunately not.
Yeah, might want to lick all the way around like that.
Are there any other parks that you're going to? Or was this the last one? Hello?
I'm leaving now. It's only like, what time is it? I can't even see. It's probably about 2, maybe 3. But in closing, Knott's is just too small of a park with not enough rides, so there's always going to be long lines because there's still going to be the Cedar Fair crowds, but not as many rides. So everybody's going to flock to a few rides. But yeah, that's going to do it for this vlog.